they have a proven track record of moving you from where you don't want to be to where you want to be.
Hello, everyone. My name is Terry Louis. I'm the Infrastructure Director at Yellowtail Tech. It's an honor to have Jhamal McKee in the building today. Hey, Jhamal. What's up, man?
Hello. How are you?
Good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you.
Great. Before we start today, I want to show you a little something.
Hello, my name is Jhamal McKee. Currently, I'm a client and technical support specialist, and I'm on my way to becoming a Linux system administrator.
You see that?
I see it.
Yeah. You see the date?
Yes.
All right.
Things have moved fast since then.
So how do you feel about that, man?
I feel good. I feel like I've accomplished something that I didn't know that I could accomplish. I think that's the biggest thing. Something when you're first presented with all the information that you want to give us, you're like, how could I ever remember all of this and pass this exam? But you just keep following the process, and one day you got a new job as a Linux systems admin.
That's awesome, and I'm very happy for you. I'm very
Thank
happy
you.
for you. So, can you tell me a little bit about your journey, the journey that led you to this place right now, working as a Linux system admin?
So I initially found out about Linux for Jobs or Yellowtail in August of 2020. I knew that I wanted to do something with IT. I just didn't know what I wanted to do. So after talking to Juby, he really put in place for me about being a subject matter expert, about gaining relevant skills that you can take from after you take this class till you get your certificate to when you're going out into the real world. And I can really say that process worked for me. So from talking to Juby, taking the course, failing my exam 4 different times until passing after I found out what I needed to do. The interviewing, I interviewed for one job. After that one job, after interviewing for that one job, I got it. I didn't apply for any other job. So I kind of, the job like me, I like them. It was a great fit, and here I am.
So there's a lot of people out there that only see like success, like they see, oh, Jhamal McKee made it, breaking into IT, and they don't really know the full story. Can you speak a little bit about like the challenges, the roadblocks like you encountered throughout that journey, and how you overcame them?
I would love to. I always try to tell people about the obstacles that I experienced. I did not have an IT background when I started my journey in October 2020. I had a little bit of one half of an A+ course, but as you know, Thierry, that doesn't have any A+ doesn't necessarily have anything to do with Linux. So even though our course preparation was about 6 months, I really, because of the skills that I didn't possess, I really had to watch some of the videos, sometimes twice, if not 3 times. So I always like to tell people, I actually took this course twice. I paid for it once, but I took it twice regarding just refining some of the things that were taught to me in the beginning that I really couldn't grasp. But after paying attention, after studying, after going back to watch the videos, I was really able to overcome a lot of the issues. And then fast forward to when it was time to take the exam, I'm one that had to take the exam a couple of times before I passed, but it's all right. I passed. So
yeah, that happens a lot.
Yeah, and I think it was more not necessarily the exam. It was probably more of my test taking skills and being nervous to take the test and pass the test. But once I was able to pass the test with a passing score, everything that I kind of learned over that last year just kind of came back to me, and it really let me know that I've accomplished something really, really good. The respect that I get from people who are in this industry that know about the RHCSA, they give me a lot of respect. And it's kind of amazing that someone who doesn't really have that much of an IT background, I'm like, okay, I just took this course and I passed it. I don't see what you guys are talking about. But now that I'm able to have some on-job experience, I see that there are different Linux certificates that you can achieve, but The RHCSA is the one where people really give you respect. They really say you know your stuff.
And can you tell me a little bit about your experience throughout the internship?
The internship was amazing. I've been able to talk to some former students from Yellowtail, and I informed them that what I'm learning on the job is exactly what I learned on the internship. Nothing different. Ticket 1 through 70, it's the same exact thing. My only thing, my job doesn't have a patching schedule, so that was the first thing that I asked. So when do we patch? And they don't do it, but it's okay. But I have experience in patching Linux or patching a system, so that's something that I could carry with me, even if we don't do it at my current position.
So, in your own words, or like your last word for the audience, like, what does it take to break into IT?
What does it take to break into IT? Believe it or not, you don't have to be this great thinker. You don't have to be this great mind. You really have to focus. You have to find something that you're interested in. You have to follow the path that's laid out for you. You have to do it again each day until either you get your certificate or you know what you're doing, where you can tell other people or you can speak confidently when going on interviews.
Okay, great. Thank you, Jhamal. That's it. And happy
Anytime,
to stop
Thierry.
by and share with the community. Like it means a lot to us.
Will do. And I've told my friends on Facebook, on Instagram about Yellowtail Tech, about Linux for Jobs, and about they have a proven track record of moving you from where you don't want to be to where you want to be.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Have a good